These we're not going to do quadratic formula. I know you guys are pretty good at quadratic formula. And remember, your homework that you have to bring back in Tuesday, y'all got to have this sheet done. After that, I start marking off late forms. All right, that's all just quadratic formula. All right, so we got to factor these. Now, what makes these harder than our other problems we used to do? We did a couple last Thursday. When you have a number in front of the x squared, coefficient in front of x squared, it makes it hard. What numbers can I times here and here that equal 4? 2 times 2. That was easy. Write them in. 2x, 2x. All right, why not 4 times 1, guys? I said this last week. Why is it better to use 2 times 2? Because they're closer together. Always use the ones closer together. Most of the time, it's going to be right. All right, down here, we got to times these numbers, and they got to equal 15. Now, can anybody think of numbers, factors, you can times together to get 15? Most people would say 3 times 5. All right, what if you didn't know that? You can do it on the calculator. It will show you all the factors. And if I didn't show you all this Thursday, I need to show you now. All right, listen. Everybody hit your y equals button. Everybody hit your y equals button. I need a calculator. All right, if anything is in the y equals, clear it out. All right, and then I want y'all to enter. I want you to enter this where it says y1 equals. I want y'all to do 15 divided by x. 15 divided by, where's the x button? Do y'all remember? Right here. You see the green alpha key, Glory? It's right here on the right side. It's got a little x, a t, a theta. Looks like an N. So hit the X button. 15 divided by X. Everybody got it? Now all you have to hit from here, y'all see table up here in blue above the graph key. Hit second graph, and it gives you all the factors. Start on 1 times 15. It gives you 1 times 15. The next one, 2 times 7.5. Don't use it if it's a decimal. Only use it if it's whole numbers. 3 times 5. Guys, that's the only one that gives you right there. So the calculator will show you all the different factors. I'm sure Ms. Carter showed y'all this last year. I'm just kind of doing a review over it. All right, so we're going to do 3 and 5. Why are we doing 3 and 5 and not 1 and 15? Why? Closer together. Always use the ones closest together. All right, now look at your signs. Y'all got to look at the second sign. When your second sign is a minus, your signs have to be different. I need to write that on the board. All right, so when the second sign is minus, the signs have to be different. So what do y'all think when the second sign is the same? Sorry, what do y'all think when the second sign is a plus? Yeah, it got to be the same. I'll leave this up here. If you want to write it down, you can, but I'll leave it up there. So these have to be different. One's a plus, one's a minus. Now, I can do this in my head and get it right. I've done it for so long, I'm going to show you guys how to check it. We have to make sure it gives us -4. And this one's going to work. Here's how I know. Here's how, I think I showed y'all this last Thursday, where you do the little smiley face to check it. Destiny, times those two numbers for me right there. What do I get? All right, Destiny, times these two numbers, what do I get? 6. -10 plus 6, -4, so I got everything right. All right. Now, what if it didn't work? I would just flip my signs or flip the 5 and 3, and that would fix it. All right, last step. Y'all got to do 2x plus 3 equals 0, and 2x minus 5 equals 0. Y'all got to find an answer for each one. Go. All right, so Gloria, watch this. If I take positive 3 over here, that becomes a -3. Then I divide by 2. So that answer is -3 over 2. Guys, what I would like for y'all to do, if y'all can just skip these 2 steps and just go straight from there to there, that's great. Save you some work, make it faster. Because I know I got to move -5 over, make it a +5, and then I divide by 2. So we should be able to do that. We should be able to skip some steps. If you can't, it's okay, write it down. But if you can skip some steps and make it quicker, do it. All right, so I've showed y'all one. Y'all's assignments 1 through 9. I'm going to do another one with you. Let's go to number 2. 12x squared minus 17x plus 6. All right, watch me close. All right, we've got to think up numbers that we can times to equal 12. If you use your calculator, it's going to show you 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Which one do we try first? Why, Tom?
Because they're closer together.
Very good. Does everybody understand that? Always try the ones first that are closer together. Now, it might not work. We might have to switch it, but most of the time it's going to work. All right, let's go down here now. What can I times here and here that gives me 6? Y'all give me some factors. 3 and 2. All right, now, look. Second sign on this one is a plus. So are my signs going to be the same or different?
Same.
Signs got to be the same, and they both got to be a minus. All right. This ain't going to work. I can go ahead and look at it. It ain't going to work. How do I know? Because look, when I times these two, that's negative 6. When I times these two, that's negative 12. Guys, add that up. That equals negative 18. That doesn't match. What's our middle supposed to be? Negative 17. So, I don't know if I showed y'all this the other day. When it doesn't work the first way you try it, how do you fix it? Out instead of 3 and 2, I flip them. Put 2 and 3, and that normally works. Let's see if it works on this one. 2 and 3. I flip them around, and yes, this is going to work. How do I know by looking at it? Because I know these two times up to give me 9, and these two multiply together to give me 8. Negative 9, negative 8 is negative 17. So now I got it. So if it doesn't work one way, just flip your factors, guys. It'll work the other most of the time. So we can do that. All right, so I got 3x minus 2 equals 0. 4x minus 3 equals 0. Y'all find both the answers. Go. All right, so again, my plan is if I could do like 3, 4, and 5 for y'all and let y'all do the other ones, that'd be great. Let's sit down. Let's go to 3. 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. All right, Alex, what goes here and here? You got to times together to give me 9.
3.
Alex, what goes here and here? It's got to times together to give me 1. Alex, what do my signs have to be? Anybody got a question? That works. All right, how do we know it works? Always check it by doing that little smiley face trick I showed you. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. They add up and give you 6. So it worked that way on the first try. I didn't have to flip anything around on that. All right, y'all find the answer now for both of them. Hopefully from here you can go straight to the answer and skip a couple steps. If not, if you need to write them out, write them out. Go. Look around and see y'all getting better at this. Tyler, what's this first answer going to be?
1 over 3.
It's going to be negative 1 over 3?
Yeah.
Because look, you got 3x plus 1 equals 0. So if I move this over, that's negative 1 divided by 3. Same thing on that one, negative 1 over 3. All right, let's go to 4. 8x squared plus 6x minus 35. All right, I think y'all ready to get one done by yourself. Go. I haven't tried it. I'm assuming this one's just as easy as the other. 5 and 7. All right, looking at it this way, it's going to work. Because look, 2 times 7 is 14. 5 times 4 is 20. How can I make those numbers give you a positive 6? Yeah, 20 minus 14. So we got to put a minus on the numbers that gave me 14. So the minus has got to go here and the positive's got to go there. Because 2 times 7 gave me 14. Y'all see how I did that? All right, so this answer moved positive 5 over is negative 5 over 2. This answer moved negative 7 over is positive 7 over 4. So, not that much work. All right, so if I do one more with you, I'm hoping y'all can because again, your assignment's going through 9. Let's skip 5, because 5 looks easier. Let's do 6. 6 looks like it could be kind of hard. Let's try 6. 10x squared minus 11x minus 6. All right, you guys go with this one. Y'all good after this? I'm going to sit down. I was wrong on the rain. I thought it was cleared out. All right, look at the last number for 6. Your options are 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Which set do I need to try first?
2 and 3.
Yeah, try the ones that are closest together. Let's do 3 and 2. Is that going to work? I don't think that's going to work. Let me check. So I got 5 times 2 is 10. I got 3 times 2 is 6. All right, the way I've got it right here, guys, it's not going to work. Because if I add these up, Gloria, that gives me 16. That don't work. If I subtract these 2, I get 4. That don't work. So I've got something wrong. All right, how did I show y'all how to fix it when you got something wrong? Title says flip. Which ones do you flip?
3 and 2.
Yeah, you only flip 3 and 2. You flip them and that should fix it. Now, has anybody done it? Does it fix it? It does?
Yeah.
So I put 3 here and 2 here. Let's check it again. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, this is going to work. I know if I do 15 minus 4, that would give me positive 11. But I need negative 11, which means I got to have a negative 15 and a positive 4. Okay, so if I got to have a negative with a 15, where does the negative go up here? It's got to go on the numbers that you multiplied out to get 15. I multiplied 5 times 3 to get 15, so the negative's got to go to 3. All right, so this answer is negative 2 over 5. This answer is positive 3 over 2. All right, so that's enough of me talking. So y'all's homework.